Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove TikTok watermark. So in here, just find a video that you want to save on TikTok. For example, this one, I'm going to click on the share button and tap on the save video. Okay, apparently the previous video I cannot download it, so I'm going to just download this one. Tap on the save video, and after that here you can just use any video editor that you want. So in this case, I'm going to use CapCut and open the TikTok video that I just downloaded in CapCut. Tap on new projects and open the video. Click on add, and in here on the video you'll see this watermark at the top, and also the top left corner, and also the right bottom corner. Here you can just click on the video and then just zoom it in, and just like that the watermark will be disappear. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.